Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to check caller's name using Truecaller ID. Someone called you. Let me show you for example now. I'm going to show you a new number now. Okay, let me see. You want to search, for example, there is a new number that called you. Okay, now for example, this number now called you in. You can see all this number that are not saved here now called you, and you wanted to know who is the person, who is that person, what is the name of that person. You can use it to detect the name of the person if it is a scam or not. So what you need to do is just go to your Truecaller. If you do not have Truecaller on your phone, go to your App Store or your Play Store to go and download Truecaller. You're going to see it, and this is how it looks like. Click on your Truecaller. Once you click on your Truecaller, the only thing that your Truecaller is, you must have a standby that's always available on your phone. Now this is it now. So we need to do is call to come here, and we're gonna see the names of those number now. So I'm going to click here now. I'm going to find the name. Now I'm going to click on that name. Once you click on it, it's going to bring everything of the person. Let me show you. Okay, so now this is what you need to do. You can see it's going to bring let me go and show you one number that is not saved on the phone. Okay, now for example, this number now, you can see it is not saved on my phone, so I wanted to search. You can see suggest a name, someone you may know, identified by Truecaller. This is it. Let's see. So Truecaller is going to identify the name of the person to you. Very easy. And if you wanted to know more about the person, you can go in upgrade to a premium to see much about the person, and you can also search for the person on web through your Truecaller directly. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.